Hello MathType users! In this short video, we're going to show you how to use MathType on different learning management systems, or LMSs. MathType integrates natively with Canvas, Moodle, Blackboard, D2L, and many other learning management systems. To make this video more dynamic, each of the steps we will look at will be performed in a different LMS. As you will see, the user experience is practically the same in all of them. Once installed in the corresponding LMS, MathType integrates directly into its content editor. In this example in Canvas, simply click the MathType button to open the equation editor. In Moodle, the editor is exactly the same as you can see. We can insert fractions, roots, matrices, advanced operators, and other mathematical symbols using the visual interface. We can also enter equations using LaTeX, MathML, or handwriting. The interaction in Blackboard is exactly the same. Once the equation is finished, we simply click Insert, and the equation will appear integrated into the LMS editor, just like in all other compatible platforms. As we have seen, using MathType is practically identical across the main LMSs. Once we learn how to use the editor, we can work the exact same way on platforms like Moodle, Canvas, Blackboard, D2L, and many others.